Hello everyone, I am Pushpendra Kumar Kurre, Assistant Professor, Srirapura Sarkari University. Today's topic is Introduction of Pharmaceutical Packaging. Definition: the packaging can be defined as the economical means of providing presentation, protection, identification, information, containment, convenience, compliance, integrity, and stability for a product during storage, transportation, display, and unit it is consumed or throughout its shelf life. Ideal packaging materials required: first, they must protect the preparation from environmental conditions. They must not be reactive with a product. They must not impart to the product taste or odor. They must be non-toxic. They must be FDA approved. Types of packaging: first, primary packaging. Primary packaging is the material that first envelopes the product and holds it. This usually is the smallest unit of distributions or used, and it is the package which is in direct contact with the contents. Examples: ampoules, vials, containers, dosing droppers, closures, plastic metals, syringe, strip packaging, blister packaging. Secondary packaging. Secondary packaging is defined as the packaging that lies outside the primary packaging. It is the perhaps used to group primary packages together. Example: paper, boards, cartoons, corrugates, fiber, box manufacture. Third, tertiary packaging. It is used for bulk handling, warehouse storage, and transport shippings. The most common form is a palletized unit load that packs tightly into containers. फोर्थ देखते हैं यूनिट डोजेस पैकेजिंग. These packagings guarantees safer medication by reducing medications error. It is also more practical for the patients. It may be very useful in less stable products. Fifth, device packaging. Packaging with a aid of an administration's device is user friendly and also improve compliance. This type of packaging permit easier administrations by means of device such as pre-filled syringe, droppers, transdermal delivery systems, pumps, aerosol sprays. Such as device ensure that the medicinal product is administered correctly and in the right amount. Type of packaging materials: glass, metal, rubber, plastic, fibrous material, film, foil, and laminates. Sampling and testing of packaging materials. First, sampling. To check the correctness of label, packaging materials or container reference, as well as in the acceptance of consignments. Second, detection adulteration of the medicinal product, obtaining a sample for retention. Third, the sampling procedure must take into account the homogeneity and uniformity of the material so as to ensure that the sample is representative of the entire batch. Fourth, the sampling procedure should be described in the written protocol. Second, testing programs. First, visual inspections, cleanliness, defects. Second, test to identify the material. Third, dimensional test. Fourth, physical test. Fifth, chemical test. Sixth, microbial test. Thank you.